What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? And welcome back. This week, we're building a sign for Henry's Coffee Cart, a local business here in Santa Clarita, California. Magic Mountain area for those who aren't in California. So Henry started his own coffee cart, which is starting a business in California. Awesome job, Henry. Putting yourself out there and doing something good for the community. Because everyone likes coffee. Everyone likes coffee. This is hot chocolate, but everyone likes coffee. I like coffee. It's just like 4 in the afternoon. And yeah, so I've never built a sign this big before, and it should be fun. This sign won't fit in my CNC engraver, so I'm partnering with a friend of mine from Campfire Arts who make really cool swords, and he laser engraves like these really neat designs for military and Boy Scouts and that sort of thing. I can't talk good enough about him and his business and all the really sweet things that they do over there and sweet things they do for our law enforcement and veterans. So we're going to laser engrave that in a sign. We're going to sand it all down, clear coat it, put some hinges on it, throw it back on it, laser engrave on that, not in that order, and make him a cool display so customers know when he's open for business. So, all that to say, let's get to it. thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed that, me building that. This is the first article. This is like, you know, the best of the best, and I get to keep that one because I made that one. Thank you very much to Campfire Art. You are amazing, and you're awesome for letting me use your CNC machine and show me how to do all that. I need to get me a laser engraver. Like, really need to. Like, priorities: a puppy, laser engraver. Puppy, laser engraver. Imagine they cost about the same over the course of 10 years, or how long did dogs live? 7 years. No, it's I don't know. I'll think about that. Anyways, thank you very much to Campfire Arts for letting me use their CNC engraver and making a cool sign for a fellow small business. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.